Welcome to today's class. We're going to learn about force. So we might want to ask ourselves, what is force? There are instances where we use force in our day-to-day lives. For instance, you may have seen a person kicking the ball, opening the door, weightlifting, and many other activities. All these activities we have mentioned involve the use of force. But therefore, what is force? Look at this diagram that I will draw. What do you think this person is doing? Look at this other one. Now, in these two diagrams, the first one and this second one, the two people are applying a force. In the first diagram, the person is pulling. And in the second diagram, this person is pushing. If these two people exert enough force, we'll see these cuts moving, as we shall explore later on the effect of force. And therefore, we can define force from these two scenarios as force being a pull or a push. Force is a quantity. What do we mean by that? It can be measured. And therefore, any quantity that can be measured has units. And for force, we talk about the SI unit of force being the Newton, whose symbol is capital N. Force also has two attributes. It has the attribute of size, or what we refer to as magnitude, and it also has the other attribute we refer to as direction. And therefore, these two attributes of any quantity makes it be classified as a vector quantity. Then, how do we represent force? if you had a 10 Newton force, a 4 Newton force, and a 20 Newton force, in representing this force, how will you tell the difference from 10 Newton force, 4 Newton force, and 20 Newton force? Force is represented using a straight line that has an arrow on one end, or rather, a straight line that has an arrow. So, those three lines have been used to represent those three forces. What's the difference in the three lines? Now you realize that the first line has a certain length compared to the second line and the third line. The difference in length simply represents the size or the magnitude of the three forces. In other words, a longer line will represent a larger force. A shorter line will represent a smaller force. Maybe 15 newtons, this could be maybe 8 newtons. So we're simply saying that force is represented using a line to denote the magnitude and the arrow on the line to define its direction. What are the types of forces? There are many types of force. The most common types of force could be friction. We could talk of gravitational force. We could talk of elastic force. Or some books will call this tension force. We could also talk of electrostatic force. We could also talk of surface tension. And so many other forces that we shall be looking at. What are some of the effects of force? What happens when you apply force on a body? When force is applied on a body, it can bring about four main categories of effects. The first effect that force causes, it can cause motion. Or increase motion. Force can also stop motion. Or decrease motion. The third effect of force, it can change shape of an object. This we also call it to distort. And finally, force can change the direction of a moving object. So I want you to mention instances in real life where these effects of force are experienced, so that in our next class we shall be looking at these effects more and looking at the more types of forces that we mentioned earlier.